Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download media from private groups. So let's dive in. First off, search for Tampermonkey on Google and click on the Google extension website. From there, install the extension. Next, search for Tampermonkey scripts on Google and click the first link. On that page, search for Telegram downloader. Next, install the first and the second script. Open Tampermonkey dashboard and make sure the two scripts are active. Then go to Telegram on the web. Make sure it's the web version as it doesn't work with the application, and open a private group media. On the top right, you will find the download button, and voila, as easy as that. You are now able to download any media on any private Telegram group. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this until the next one.